it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be showing you 4 super easy ways that you can get perfect striped nails. If you're new to the CutePolish channel, hit that subscribe button for new videos every week. To begin, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails. This will help to protect your nails from staining, and it will prolong the life of your manicure. Next, choose a base color for your design. We chose white, and we did 2 coats for best opacity. The next step is very important. Apply a fast-drying top coat and allow it to completely dry. This will take around 20 minutes. In the meantime, you can play a mobile game while you wait. If you haven't played Polish Blast before, you should definitely check it out. It's a super cute and addictive match 3 puzzle game featuring colorful nail polish bottle characters. Miri is trying to connect the spilled yellow nail polish bottle on the left to its brush on the right. Oh, she did it! Polish Blast! Click the link in the description box to download this game on your phone for free. Okay, now that our nails are dry, we're going to be using a roll of nail art striping tape for our first design. Cut the striping tape into small pieces and place them securely across your nail. Then apply nail polish over your entire nail. Quickly pull off the striping tape with tweezers before it dries. If you have any little mistakes in your stripes, you can go in with the base color to touch it up. The next way to create an easy stripe nail is by using nail vinyls. Use tweezers or your fingers to place the vinyl strips across your nail. Make sure to place them evenly so all of the stripes will end up being the same width. Press them down securely and then add your nail polish over them. Again, peel off the vinyls before the nail polish has time to dry. If there are any spots left to touch up, you can easily do so using a small nail art brush. Next, we're going to show you how you can make your own guide stickers. All you need is some clear tape. Cut the clear tape into strips of the same size, and then place them over your nail. We're going to do a vertical stripe pattern this time. Paint your polish over the tape and then quickly peel it off. Perfect! The final way to create a super easy stripe manicure if you have shaky hands is to create nail art decals of stripes. You can DIY these by painting a big square of nail polish over a nail art mat or a clear sandwich bag. Give it ample time to dry, and then when it's ready, you can peel it off so you have one big sticker. Now you can use scissors to cut the sticker into small stripes. To apply, first add a layer of clear nail polish over your nail, and then place the stripe decals over it. To remove the excess sticker, you can just dissolve it using a square nail art brush dipped into acetone. Then you can also seal the free edge too. Then seal it all in with a fast-drying top coat. Which of these 5 designs is your favorite? The diagonal red stripes, horizontal blue, vertical green, pink decals? Or this multicolored decal design? Let us know down in the comments. If you'd like to watch more fun nail art tutorials here on CutePolish, click the info card in the top right corner. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.